So 3.5 years ago, I bought this wide body Scat Pack, 2022, brand new. Now, one of the things I bought on the car, or had on the car, was the cloth seats that came on the car. So 1 year later, I actually upgraded the seats to the leather seats that you see in the car on the thumbnail or whatnot. But the thing about it is, I got these seat covers and they were less than $500 for the whole car. Now, after 2 years of having these seat covers in my car, how are they holding up? Was it worth it? Let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, before we get into the video, we gotta give y'all that cold start on the car. So yeah, so one of you guys, I'm handing you my keys. Somebody, no, hold it. No, it's one of y'all hold it.
Okay.
Somebody start it. Somebody gotta figure it out. One of y'all gotta figure this out. Okay, you do it. You do it. You figure it out.
This one? Yes.
Yes, that one. There we go. Finally.
So.
Oh my gosh, I do that every time. I do that every time. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video. See the title and you see the thumbnail. Yeah, so about 2.5 years ago for my car, I got one of the best upgrades ever for my car here. So of course, like I stated at the top of the video, I had the cloth seats in my 2022 Charger Scat Pack wide body. I know a lot of y'all like, why'd you get the cloth seats? There's better options. Yeah, I know, I get it, I understand that. But at the time, I got the cloth seats, you know, trying to stay under a certain price and all that type of stuff, or whatever, right? So I got the cloth seats, but I eventually upgraded my seats to all leather seats. Now, the price I paid for my seats was less than $500, or the value of them was less than $500, but they have held up pretty well. And the thing about it is, if you pay less than $500 for a full interior, you'll think, well, that can't have held up well. But doing this video to show y'all after 2 years, 2.5 years, how have these cheap, or relatively cheap, seats held up. I'm gonna show y'all right here. Here's the seats. These are seat covers. These are $500 seat covers, right? You can see front, passenger side, and the back. Now back here we got car seats back here, but you can kind of see the seat here, the leather on the side here. You can see, right? You can see all of that. So how has these held up? Is this worth the amount that I paid for them? So let's get into the $1 million question here. How has these seats held up? We'll go ahead and show you. Give y'all a close-up look of the seats. Here's the passenger side seat. And you can see how they have held up. Now, let me show you tell you a quick thing. So this is one piece here. This back is one piece, and the headrest back here is another piece by itself. So you can see here how this is held up. No issues or anything like that. Yes, I know it's only been 2.5 years, but the cost of these being what they are, $500, or less than $500, you can kind of see how they held up. No rips, no tears, none of that. Now, let me take a step back here. I know what y'all are saying. That's the passenger side, man. You're showing us the good side, because no one hardly sitting in the passenger side that often. Okay, let's go to the driver's side here real quick. The driver's side, I'm gonna show y'all how this is held up. This is the driver's side, so we know every time I drive this car, this seat gets used. So here's the driver's side. Here's the close-up of it. I'll show you. This is less than $500 for these. You can see how everything is held up, how everything looks, headrest, all of that. Driver's seat, the seat that gets used all the time, no issues, anything like that. See, all of that. Might be a little dirty, but no issue. I know it's only been 2.5 years. That may not be enough time for any wear and tear, anything like that. I mean, little scuff marks, but I mean, that's probably from me using hand sanitizer and stuff like that, which you can clean that up anyway. But that's the front seat and stuff. Now, I know what y'all saying. Yeah, that's the front seat, your driver's seat. It looks like you got kids in the back. Let me see that back seat. That's what y'all want to see, right? Now, I will admit, this back seat's going to be kind of hard to see. I got 2 car seats back here because, you know, I got 2 little speed demons with me and all that. But what you can see here, you can see the stitching there, probably a little dirty. Of course, I need my car detailed. You see the red popping there. And you go to the middle, kind of can see all of that and everything. Everything back here has the leather on it. Hopefully you guys can see that. Come on, the thing need to focus. See the focus there? Well, you can see kind of the center. Now, just for me, because I like keeping my stuff as clean as possible, of course, I got these little seat covers on the back because you know how kids be. But one thing I will say, if you look on the back here, you do got pockets. You do got pockets right back here still, just as you normally would on your regular seats. So you still got the pockets, and that's how everything's kind of held up over the last 2.5 years. Now, I've had car seats in here the whole time. I forgot how many miles I probably put on in the last 2.5 years, but these seats were for a fact less than $500. Well, I just rounded to $500 because that's a nice round number. But that's how they held up. Now, next thing I want to kind of talk about is the installation of these. I did a video on installing these seats into the car. Now, I will say the back of the car is way more difficult than doing the front of the car here. The back is multiple pieces here. I'm trying to show you real quick. So this bottom part is one piece. I took this bottom part out to put this bottom piece in. This side bolster right here, you got to take this out to put this on, but there's a part for that. This back piece right here in the middle and all that, that's all one piece. And then you have the part for the headrest, which you got to get this headrest out. Let me move back a little. You got to get this headrest right there out to put that part on. But the back to me was the hardest. You definitely got to take your time with doing the back. Let me go back up here to the front. You can see you got to take your time doing this back part. You can go back and see my video on that. I'll make sure to try to link it in here. But you got to take your time doing that part. Now for the front, everything is form fitted. That's why even though these are seat covers, like they fit the shape of the seat here. So you really got to squeeze this thing, all this stuff on. You got to fight to get these things on. These really fit the seat. You can see here, that's the side of it, hug the seat pretty tightly. So you really going to have to try to fight to get these things on there and zipper them closed and all that type of stuff. So the fit on this is pretty good for the front. You cannot tell that these are seat covers. When I first got this car, like this look took my car to a whole nother level. When I first got this car, I kind of hated riding with the windows down because you see the cloth seats and stuff in the car. I hate having my windows down, but now you can see with the red seats poking. I like having the windows down, like showing off. You see the front here through the tent in the front. You can see the seats poking through there and all that. If I'm riding, let me see, I'm gonna wind my windows down real quick. Gotta show y'all what it looks like I'm riding down with the windows down real quick. Let me do this. So if I'm riding with the windows down, whatnot, you can see the seats poking through there, the red and all that, the red and black. Best color choice for this car. I mean, there's other options as well, but I really like this color choice. Most Scats, well, all Scats pretty much come with the Alcantara with the leather on the side. These are full leather seats, as you can tell. See how that looks. Another thing I want to point out as well, I actually entered my car to a car show. I actually won second place in the car show. The guy that won the car show with me was a red-eye Challenger. But, I mean, the interior is on point. It is super on point here. And I also, of course, for hers, I got my Alcantara steering wheel, but it really does fit the look of the car really well. Now, because I put these seats in my car, put these seat covers in my car, it's pretty much made the car stand out and took it to another level. And I get a lot of attention that I normally don't get, good and bad attention. So on top of these seat covers that I added to the car, I also had to make sure I up my security on this car because I don't want the bad attention. So make sure if you do something like this, also get this product that I'm about to show you right now.
This is my Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide body. It's big, it's loud, it's bright red. It simply grabs attention no matter where I go. Unfortunately, I bought a car that is 60 times more likely to be stolen than any other car on the road. With the long list of mods and things I bought for this car, one of the first things I installed on my car was this. CarLock, the world's best GPS tracker and alert system. With CarLock, you will be able to live track your car with the GPS from your phone. Also, get alerts sent directly to your phone if anything is going on with your car, such as vibrations, engine starting, the car moving when it shouldn't be moving, or if there's a loss of power, your CarLock will get an alert for that as well. Be sure to get your CarLock. Use my link down in the description below and these discount codes to get a 10% discount on your CarLock purchase, as well as a 14-day free trial of the CarLock service as well. Let's get into the video.
Now, one of the downsides of having these seats here, and you could probably already point it out, if I look at this seat, it's missing one thing. You have no clue this is a Scat Pack. There's no Scat Pack B on either one of these seats, which is unfortunate, but there's a reason why for that. This company, while they make really great seat covers, not only for a Charger, but also for a Challenger, anything, XXC, RT, everything on up, even Hellcats, because you guys with the Challenger Hellcats, that bottom base model, those come with cloth seats. They do. Trust me. They don't have the Scat Pack B. And the reason why, because these seats are not officially licensed by Mopar. So therefore, they are unable to put any kind of Dodge RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat logo on any of these seats at all whatsoever. Cat Skins is the only official licensed seat cover seat skins for Dodge Mopar products. But if you know someone that can do some custom embroidery for you, that's nothing to fix for you, right? That's nothing to get that taken care of. Another thing I want to mention as well, while these were less than $500, why so cheap, these are actually not real leather. I'm gonna show you that these are not real leather. They do have an option that is $800 something. I think about $800. I can put it on the screen here. That is real, genuine leather. So if you want to go that route, definitely go that route to give you a real leather look on that. Now these, of course, with them not being real leather, if you may can tell, may not, but most people really can't tell. They just see the red and black seats and be like, that looks good. They love the look of it. I love the look of it. They feel good to sit in as well. So another question, since these are seat covers, your heated seats, can you still feel that? Yes, no problem feeling the heated seats. Since these are cloth, these are not heated and ventilated. If you have the ventilated seats, you probably have the Alcantara seats. So you may not even get, covers for them. But if you do, you got all the holes there to let the heat through. It works just fine. There's no issue with that at all. So I know it's getting cool out here. My car stays in the garage most of the time. So when I get in the car, it's already pretty much warm. But, if you use your heated seats, you have no problem feeling that at all. Product with this company, when I got my seats from them, they only really had seat covers, and the Scat Pack seat covers was something new that they came out with. These are for the performance seats. If you have an RT, they're not shaped the same, so you have to get a different one. But these work for Hellcats and Scat Packs. And like I said, if you have a Challenger Hellcat, it comes with cloth seats, and if you got that, then this is definitely a certified option for you. They have a variety of colors on the site. They have the kind of like the peanut butter interior. They have the all black with red stitching, black and white. I'm probably missing out on a whole bunch of options that they have on the site, but you need to check them out. They have way more colors and options on there now than they did when I got mine. And this was kind of the first run of that product for the Scat Packs with the red and black seats. So you can see, it looks like I took this to a shop and had these stitched on and all that type of stuff, right? And on top of that, on top of the seat covers, they also have stuff for your other interior parts. They have steering wheels as well, which I didn't get my steering wheel from there. This is OEM Alcantara Hellcat Demon steering wheel. They have stuff for your center console. They actually have a cover for your center console here. One of the things that I have noticed over time, this will crack with use. So they have a cover that goes over that, leather cover, that can match your seats and all that. They have stuff for center console, this area here. So they got stuff for your interior other than the seats and whatnot. So I'm going to wrap up the video here. And I do apologize if the sound quality is different from my previous videos. Reason being, my microphone decided not working, so I'm just using the straight camera microphone. So my apologies if this sounds different. Try to work with the best I can to make it sound good. But that's kind of the overview of the seats here. Like I said, it was the best bang for your buck they can get out there if you do have cloth seats. I know a lot of times people, when they get Scat Packs, they may skip on getting the Alcantara seats, but if you get the cloth seats, there is an option for you to upgrade your interior and make it look good. Especially now, these cars aren't being made anymore, so anything now, you pretty much just buy whatever's on the lot, and if the car on the lot doesn't have these seats available in the car, then you pretty much stuck with it. But this is an option. You go with another $500 and you got a full set for your interior here. It looks like you took it to the shop and dropped some money to have your seats redone. Looks good. You can see from the front here again. You can see the red seats poking through the tent a little bit. But that's the official end of the video. Make sure if you have any questions, drop them down below. If you made it this far, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of car related things on here, and we'll catch you on the next video. We are out. Cut it.